What do you do when the source of your livelihood is threatened? What do you do when the world around tells you that what you held for years as a source of reverence is a symbol of evil? Imagine the plight of 7 lakh farmers and their families in Karnataka who are told that the produce that shaped their lives, areca, is toxic and the only way is to ban it. Areca became synonym with Gutka, and the future of around 50 lakh people in Karnataka looked bleak all of a sudden. A youth hailing from one of these families decides to take on the challenge. A postgraduate from Swinburne University of Technology, Australia, in good manufacturing and management technology, and a kid with bright future ahead, quits abroad and decides to turn the crisis of his people into an opportunity. With painstaking research and effort, prove that areca is not toxic but could be oxygen. This is the story of Areca tea, a tea with a difference, a first of its kind in the world, a tea that energizes the people who consume it, and a tea that would sustain the life spirit of millions of lives that depend on areca nut for living. This is the story of Nivedan Nempe, a humble youth from a small village in Karnataka who wanted to give back to the community that helped him to gain access to higher knowledge, a concrete product of the knowledge. Nivedan Nempe, the 29-year-old innovator, was born and brought up in a village called Mandagadde, located in Shimoga district of Karnataka. Born to a traditional areca growing family, he desired to grow beyond mere farming, had his earlier education in the government schools of Mandagadde, and pursued a bachelor's degree in pharmacy from National College of Pharmacy, Shimoga. He was offered a scholarship by Swinburne University of Technology for higher education in good manufacturing and management technology, and soon got a job in Australia as business development consultant. For years, Nivedan travelled across Australia, New Zealand, Bangkok, Hong Kong, Singapore, and in Dubai. During this entire sojourn, the young Nivedan always knew that his merit needed a true channel. Working in different countries other than his, he always felt there is a lacuna somewhere deep down. The words of a teacher he had heard as a kid, true worth of a person lies in what use you made of your merit to help your mother and motherland, kept coming back to him, and he responded to call of his motherland.
ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ನನಗೆ ಭೂಮಿ ಸೆಳೆತ, ನಾವು ರೈತಾಪಿ ವರ್ಗದವರು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತಕ್ಕ ಹಾಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದೊಂದು ತುಂಬ ಆಸೆ ಇತ್ತು.
That is now Nivedan came back to India to his village and saw the gloom in the eyes of farmers around him. The fear of areca nut losing its space in the market haunted the farmers. And Nivedan decided he would make the farmers smile.
ನಾಳೆ ದಿವಸ ಗುಟ್ಕಾ ಬಂದಾದರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದೊಂದು ಭಯ ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ಕಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಉತ್ಪನ್ನ ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೈತರ ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂಥರ ಸಂತೋಷ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರುವಾಯಿತು. ಆ ಸಂತೋಷ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ಪನ್ನ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
He would use his knowledge to show the world that areca is not toxic, to show the farmers that they have a ray of hope. They can be a part of this changing world. Their product would not fade to oblivion. Nivedan discovered that tea can be prepared from areca nut. It was possible to develop the concept of areca consists of high percentage of tannin. Nivedan worked on the knowledge that tannin is the main content of regular tea. Researched, read, met people who mattered, and finally brought out the product, Areca tea.
ಸತತ 2 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಅಡಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಸಹ ಟೀಯನ್ನು ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ನನ್ನ ಕಲ್ಪನೆಗೆ ಅದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂತು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಔಷಧಿ ಗುಣಗಳನ್ನ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಟೀ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಿವರ್ತನೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯಿಂದಲೂ ನನಗೆ ಸಹಕಾರ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬಂತು.
The journey was certainly not smooth. It was the result of painstaking effort. He searched and collected all research papers published on areca nut. He found that areca nut contains aqueous tannin in it and has 21 types of health benefits. He tried to extract tannin from areca nut and tried to convert it into a tea. After more than a year of research, came out with tea from areca nut called areca tea.
ಅಡಿಕೆ ಟೀಯಿಂದ ಸುಮಾರು 60ರಿಂದ 70 ಲಕ್ಷ ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗದಲ್ಲದೆ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಪರಂಪರೆಯಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅಡಿಕೆಗೆ ಏನು ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಕಳಂಕ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು, ಅಡಿಕೆ ಬರೀ ಗುಟ್ಕಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು, ಅದು ಒಂದು ಬದಿಯಿಂದ ನಿರ್ಮೂಲನೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮಗೆ ಭರವಸೆ ಇದೆ.
Areca tea is made using areca nut along with some Ayurvedic herbs. Areca nut has been processed in 6 different steps to remove alkaloids, leaving all other health beneficial components as it is. Tannin and other health beneficial molecules dissolve in water and can be used as tea. For easy consumption, areca tea is converted into tea bags, which will give aroma of areca and also the taste of areca. Areca tea has its own taste and aroma along with major health benefits. It consists of high percentage of antioxidant and polyphenols, which strengthens the body and helps in digestion. After finding areca tea, Nivedan started working on modernization of product. Then it took around 3 to 4 months to convert that into areca tea dip bags and to on-brand building of areca tea. Under Make in India Excellence Award, that is All India Technical Management Council recognized the research and awarded areca tea as Innovative Product of the Year 2014 and 15. Nivedan has applied for patent and received intellectual property rights from Patenting Authority for areca tea. The research drew interest from all corners of the globe, and offers came pouring into Nivedan to sell the idea to international players. Nivedan knew it isn't the money but the cause that propelled him to this stage. Millions of lives pinned their aspiration to Nivedan's areca tea. More than anyone, Nivedan knew it well. So, here it is finally, the areca tea.
ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ರೈತರಿಗೆ ಇದರ ಉಪಯೋಗ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತಕ್ಕ ಹಾಗೆ ನಾನು ಸಹ ಮುಂಚಿಂದ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತಕ್ಕ ಹಾಗೆ ನಾನು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ.
Carrying the hopes of many, entering the market of tea in India to make a change. Nivedan knows that even if areca tea captures the imagination of a tiny portion of the tea market in India, millions of lives will be brightened, and he would show the way to the grief-stricken farmers how to cope with the globalized world by employing the techniques of science to retain the tradition. And this is not an end. Nivedan's dream is to transform the lives of farmers through research that translates into a real product. And areca tea is the beginning. Mystic Aromatics, the company Nivedan started, is already into researching on the alternate use of sugarcane products, and he plans to take it to other areas of agricultural produce where he could show the way to farmers not to lose hope in the face of adversity. The story of Nivedan Nempe is the story of passion, the story of perseverance, the story of a son who came back to ensure that smiles remain and hopes do not vanish. Every time we sit with a cup of areca tea, we are making someone smile there. Hopefully, Nivedan would spread smile far and wide. By turning areca from abuse to magical portion, Nivedan shows us there is always a ray of hope. Green Remedies, a pharmaceutical company, is into marketing Ayurvedic medicine since past 12 years. Continuing our long-standing association with Nivedan, we take up the responsibility of marketing the product, areca tea.
Inventor of areca tea, Nivedan, has become blessing to the large number of areca cultivators. Areca tea is a highly beneficial product with immense efficacy to regular consumers. We join hands with Nivedan in this new venture to take this areca tea across the globe. Farmers are the foundation for this, and hence they should get their share of profit.
And making it available to a large number of consumers across the globe. This in turn will benefit the cultivators and help in their upliftment.
Guru